Hey everyone, I got here is a Ensoniq ESQ-1. The internal battery is dead, so I'm gonna replace it. I know it's like it's a 3-volt battery soldered on, so I don't want. Anyway, this is really old, so I'm not buying another same battery. I'm gonna replace it with a double A alkaline battery. So I'm gonna modify the internal battery on this one and start using alkaline instead of the lithium battery. So to get access to the battery, you have to remove these 4 screws: 1, 2, 3, and 4. You need an Allen wrench. And I am using this 932 size wrench, and it should fit perfectly. You can even spin it right now. Here's the battery. It's soldered on to the board. And we can see it. This is the old battery. I'm gonna replace it with this AA battery holder. Just solder this in, positive, negative. Okay then. So I got this bad power supply and I cut the wire off of them. So I'm going to use this to attach to where the old battery is. And put this over here all the way to the end. From everything and just run the wire to right here. Should work fine. First I'm going to remove this to have access to the terminals over here. Negative, positive. Now, before touching electronics, motherboards, all this stuff here, you're supposed to ground yourself. Not supposed to be walking around in the carpet. Do it not the way I do it, because I'm walking around on the carpet. I'm not grounded. So I'm doing it the wrong way, but I don't really care if this thing breaks when I'm doing this. I'm just doing this because I like to tinker around. Right, if it breaks while I'm doing it, oh well, too bad. Somebody will buy it for parts anyway. Okay, let me see if the soldering iron is hot already or not. Okay, what I did was I put some solder on the ends of the wire first. Then I'm gonna melt it to the terminals here. Enough for me. I'm gonna tie this end to the battery holder. I'm gonna route this over here. Just right here. Now I'm gonna put a double side tape on it, the plastic hole, the battery holder. The exposed wire I'm gonna cover with this cover from this wire, the one of the piece that I cut. I'm gonna cut it and cover that and wrap it with electrical tape. Now I'm gonna put the AA batteries. Put the cover on. Pretty secure. Screw it in. It's not gonna move. There you go. It's all done. There's that. There's that right there. I don't know if you can see it. But okay, time to test it. I'm gonna put the screw back on and test it. Alright. Okay, time to test it. Plug the wire.
Oh, where was the stuff?
Woohoo! Everything good so far. No more battery issue.
Why are we not aware of it?
Everything works. Like this. You draw a tray like, hey, you draw a tray. But
But I can't swallow it good.
yeah.
Now this one is a car.
Fix! Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.